naging Google in the gym. Wala na yun sa kanilang mga pamilya. But now, in these moments, they get to enjoy a proud fight na pinakita sa ating na tropa. And they were chasing that elusive Grand Slam. But they come out still with 2 of the 3 possible championships sa season na to. TNT won that. And so they definitely gave their fans a lot to celebrate in the 49th season of the PBA. Once again, I'm the runner-up, TNT Mapa 5G.